All right, so this is kind of funny. Lisa just pointed this out. When you're looking for us on YouTube, sometimes you find something else, including our poor nephew that was looking for a channel. That's not your channel, Auntie. So yes, it's my plus one, not plus one, but my plus one.
But when people search it, they find my experience with
Yeah, my experience with plus one, which I think it's healthy for you guys to be able to
This is at
explore this
Walmart.
kind of stuff. It's funny because they got these up here for things are going to plan, and then they have the section that if things went not so much to plan. And if you want to make sure that things go to plan, you have this stuff down here. And if you want to prevent having to come up here, they have things down here. So
Yes.
and then these are controversial, but it is important to know what all your options
Know your
are.
options. Yeah. We're not judging nobody. Know your options. Walmart got it. Drugstores got it. Know your options in life, guys.